how to turn off spotlight replies on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn off this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then as you see, when you open your Snapchat, you go up and you open your profile. Then you go to settings here and open again your settings. Then go to notification and open it. Then guys, you go down and you will go to spotlight replies. You will turn off this option by clicking here on this icon like this, and now it will work with you. That's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.